In a few short months, a massive group of students will graduate and enter the workforce for the very first time in their life. Unlike years past, this is actually a good time to be entering the job market. During this period of COVID 19, employment rates had dropped to historically low levels. This means companies expanding their operations will be competing for the workers. If you have a child or grandchild who will soon be starting their career, then do them a favor and share these 6 golden rules of money that I will be giving in this video. I certainly wish I had learned them early in my career. It would have saved me a lot of time and helped me to avoid a ton of mistakes that I made in my life. Number 1. Desire less. Here's some common sense. It takes more time to make money than to spend it. You work thousands of hours to make a certain amount of money, and then you can drop it all on a new car, luxury vacation, watch, or anything else that you desire for. We all know that, right? And yet we keep on spending money like it's nothing to us. I know this is something your granddad probably said, but the easiest way to grow your bank account is not to spend it all. Trust me, it's a solid piece of advice. The ancient Stoics knew about this too. That's why they framed this phase. True freedom means you desire less. Number 2. Pay yourself first. Always pay yourself first when you get paid. So you will have to adjust your budget according to the remaining 90% of your income. Take about 10% of your monthly income and deposit this into a separate bank account for savings. Do not touch this savings unless there's an emergency. Make a short or long-term plan for this saving, such as deposit for a car, down payment for a house, wedding fund, or retirement fund. Number 3. Know how the economy works. When does the interest rate generally go up? When does it go down? What are bonds? What's inflation? When do you get inflation? What's a market cycle? Why do economies generally collapse? What's debt? Who prints money? Why do they print money? I can go on forever, but you must have got my point by now. Look, you don't have to be an economist. I am not also one. But do yourself a favor. Read a book like A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. It's an excellent summary of how the economy and investing work. Or spend some time on various financial websites. Also consider subscribing to our channel to get answers of all the above questions and many more. The point is that basic knowledge about how all this stuff works prevents you in the state of panic. Oh shit, the market is down. What now? Panicking will not help you. Number 4. Grow your money. Once you have built up some savings, learn to grow that money. Try making out some investment in the stock market, but only after proper guidance and education. Do not invest all in one go, and do not put everything in one basket. Like the popular advice goes, test the water. When you feel more comfortable and confident with your investment strategy, you can top up or diversify your investment. Do not expect your money to grow overnight, but do allow for a few years before you can see the result. Always make a point of understanding what you are investing in before putting your money into that investment. Number 5. Avoid personal debt. Personal debt destroys your net worth like nothing else. To be clear, I don't think there's anything wrong with borrowing money. If you want to start a business or do some big real estate deal, it's often necessary and smart to take on debt. But we must be wise about taking on debt. Like investing, there are rules to it. One thing is sure, never borrow money to buy a car, electronics, or anything else that goes down in value, also known as depreciating asset. But when it comes to more complex things like growing or starting a business, investing in real estate, or even your education, think carefully before you go into debt. Remember that borrowing money is not free. Number 6. Protect yourself and your wealth. I cannot stress enough the importance of having adequate insurance coverage for every part of your life. The operative word here is adequate, enough, but not too much protection. This is even more crucial if you have a family, spouse, kids, and other dependents. With our current economic and personal finance situation, it is likely that a single accident or critical illness can bankrupt us. With good insurance coverage, at least it can lessen the family burden during difficult times. Money management seems scary, complex, and complicated. Thus, we tend to avoid it until something serious happens and we had no choice but to face it, and that too very badly. Don't wait till your money goes out of your control. Following the previously listed money rules is not that difficult, it just needs some consistency and patience. Follow these money rules sincerely and tackle your finances step by step, one at a time. In the long run, you will be able to see very good results. I hope for your best future. If you found this video informative, then make sure to press the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you can receive notifications for our upcoming videos on money saving and investing. Thank you very much.